What is up, you guys? It's your boy Red coming at you, and we got a very special unboxing today. You may know, be able to tell by the tape, but oh boy, and I forgot to get the scissors. We got something special right here we're gonna open. So let's see if we can just cut this tape. Oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful. So this might be the dopest pair I've ever hit on in my life. They will be for sale. These are going to be our centerpiece right in the middle of our table at Got Soul Boston. Oh man, you guys see the box. You guys see the box. I can't wait to see these in hand. You guys probably know what these are. Let's see. Oh, that's cool. Wow. Oh, wow. This is a beautiful sneaker. Wow, here they are. Yep, I think that's Leonardo da Vinci. Wow. What do you guys think? Nike SB Supreme Dunk High. This is a beautiful shoe, man. They are my size too, but you know, you guys know why I do this. These are so clean. Remember guys, if you don't already subscribe, please subscribe to the channel. You have no idea how much a subscription helps. Doesn't cost you anything, and it helps me spread the word of my brand. You know, we're family owned and operated. Me and my kids do all this. We got our first vending gig where we got a table. We're officially vending at Got Soul Boston. I can't wait to have these in the center of our table. And other than that, give Drip Overload 413 a follow, a subscribe. We're on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat, but I don't use Snap as much as I probably should. You can always see what we have in stock. I always do release dates, any on foot. We have a ton of sneakers that we wear. We always do on foot looks for people that are thinking about buying that specific shoe. And we got these Nike Dunk Supreme Highs. So that's that, guys. Thank you for watching the unboxing. This is one of the dopest pair of sneakers I've ever owned, for sure. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.